10 Incredible Secrets Behind James Gosling's Success, Creator of Java Programming. Number 1. Passion for programming. Gosling had a passion for programming from a young age, which he developed while tinkering with computers as a teenager. Number 2. Diverse interests. Gosling had diverse interests outside of programming, including music, which he studied at the University of Calgary, and science fiction, which influenced his work on Java. Number 3. Academic background. Gosling has a strong academic background, earning a PhD in computer science from Carnegie Mellon University. Number 4. Collaborative nature. Gosling is known for his collaborative nature, working with a team of developers to create the Java programming language. Number 5. Emphasis on simplicity. Gosling emphasized simplicity in the design of Java, making it easy to learn and use. Number 6. Strong work ethic. Gosling has a strong work ethic, often working long hours to ensure that his projects were completed on time. Number 7. Creative problem solving. Gosling is known for his creative problem solving skills, which he applied to overcome technical challenges while developing Java. Number 8. Attention to detail. Gosling paid close attention to detail, ensuring that the Java language was reliable, efficient, and easy to use. Number 9. Ability to adapt. Gosling has demonstrated an ability to adapt to new technologies and trends, allowing him to remain relevant in an ever-changing industry. Number 10. Continuous learning. Gosling has a passion for continuous learning, always staying up to date with the latest developments in computer science and technology. Thanks for watching.